Alcohols, phenols and ethers. Alcohols and phenols are formed when a hydrogen atom in a hydrocarbon is replaced by OH group. An aliphatic alcohol can be represented as ROH, where R is an alkyl group. Phenol is an aromatic alcohol. Ether can be represented as ROR-, where R and R- are two alkyl groups. Alcohols and phenols can be classified as monohydric, dihydric and trihydric compounds depending on the number of hydroxyl groups present. Consider C2H5OH. Since the compound contains only one hydroxyl group, it is a monohydric alcohol. Now consider CH2OH, CH2OH. Since two OH groups are present, it is a dihydric alcohol. CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH contains three OH groups. Therefore, it is a trihydric alcohol. Alcohols can also be classified as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. RCH2OH represents a primary alcohol since carbon carrying the hydroxyl group is directly attached to only one other carbon atom. R2CHOH represents a secondary alcohol since carbon carrying the hydroxyl group is directly attached to two other carbon atoms. R3COH represents a tertiary alcohol since carbon carrying the hydroxyl group is directly attached to three other carbon atoms. In primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols, the OH group is attached to a carbon which is sp3 hybridized. Next, consider allylic alcohols. In allylic alcohols, OH group is attached to a carbon which is sp3 hybridized, which in turn is attached to an sp2 hybridized carbon. Allylic alcohols are also of three types: primary, secondary and tertiary. Now consider benzylic alcohols. In benzylic alcohols, OH group is attached to an sp3 hybridized carbon, and this carbon is next to an aromatic ring. Benzylic alcohols are also of three types: primary, secondary and tertiary. In vinylic alcohol, that is CH2 double bond CHOH, OH is attached to a carbon which is sp2 hybridized. In phenol also, OH group is attached to an sp2 hybridized carbon. We shall now consider the common and IUPAC names of some alcohols. Consider CH3OH. Its common name is methyl alcohol and the IUPAC name is methanol. Consider CH3CH2CH2OH. Its common name is normal propyl alcohol and the IUPAC name is propan-1-ol. The IUPAC name of isopropyl alcohol is propan-2-ol. Normal butyl alcohol is CH3CH2CH2CH2OH. Its IUPAC name is butan-1-ol. The IUPAC name of secondary butyl alcohol is butan-2-ol. 2-methyl propan-1-ol is commonly known as isobutyl alcohol. The IUPAC name of tertiary butyl alcohol is 2-methyl propan-2-ol. Glycerol contains three OH groups. Therefore, the IUPAC name of the compound is propane-1,2,3-triol. Phenol is C6H5OH. 2-methylphenol is commonly called as orthocresol. 3-methylphenol is known as metacresol and 4-methylphenol is known as paracresol. Benzene 1,2-diol is commonly called as catechol. Benzene 1,3-diol is known as ruzosinol and benzene 1,4-diol is known as hydroquinone or quinol. Let us now consider the common and IUPAC names of some ethers. Consider CH3OCH3. The common name of the compound is dimethyl ether. According to IUPAC system, an ether is named as alkoxyalkane. Therefore, the IUPAC name of CH3OCH3 is methoxymethane. Since both the alkyl groups present in methoxymethane are the same, it is a symmetrical ether. Now consider C2H5OC2H5. Its common name is diethyl ether and the IUPAC name is ethoxyethane. Since the alkyl groups present are the same, diethyl ether is also a symmetrical ether. Now consider CH3O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Its common name is methyl normal propyl ether and the IUPAC name is 1-methoxypropane. Since the alkyl groups present around oxygen are different, it is an unsymmetrical ether or mixed ether. C6H5OCH3 is commonly known as anisole and its common name is methyl phenyl ether. The IUPAC name of the compound is methoxybenzene. Now consider C6H5OCH2CH3. It is commonly known as phenitol and its common name is ethyl phenyl ether. The IUPAC name of the compound is ethoxybenzene.